about 100, and with the 50 own clubs and 100 health and fitness centers, I'm sure, I think it's a huge value add to all the members of the country club. And the future is, I will say, sky is not the limit. The growth is so much, and India is also growing in a huge manner in spite of COVID and recession in other parts of the world. The tourism industry has really picked up. Like what Rishi was selling, the reverse tourism. It is so true actually. In spite of that, you see our country is such a huge country, and the concept Country Club is such a wonderful concept, and it's very affordable. It is very cost effective, and it is very much to do with the families. So the whole combination in this part of the time is really very exciting, and I'm sure a lot more people will join the bandwagon of the Country Club. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you for coming.
Celebration, ladies and gentlemen, and of course, with Country Club reaching a century franchise properties, please join us for the cake cutting ceremony followed by popping on the champagne. Can we please have the sumptuous cake here? और आप सबको भी खा के जाना है. आप सबका lunch by the way हम सबके साथ हैं आज. So please enjoy कीजिए, and आप जब भी चाहें आ सकते हैं अपने families के साथ Country Club में. आप सिमरन का नाम लेके आ सकते हैं. Please feel free to do that, because हम चाहते हैं कि आप भी खुद experience कीजिए कि यहाँ पर कितना homely atmosphere, कितना मजा आता है यहाँ पर. So thank you. वैसे तो आप हमें हमेशा occasions पर मिलते ही हैं हमेशा. तो आइए, this is a very special cake. अगर आपको photograph लेना है, मैं चाहूँगी, because यहाँ पर लिखा है congratulations Country Clubs 100. तो अगर photographs, sir, once again, sir, please wait, we'll have the photos, sir. इतना amazing cake है, so please feel free to have the photo op and the videos. Sir, please ले लीजिए. मैं चाहूँगी कि क्लोजअप हो जाए हमारे केक का भी बहुत ही खूब. So अगर आप चाहें तो वापस जा सकते हैं पीछे, because I think हमारे मीडिया जो पीछे हैं उन्हें शायद देखेगा नहीं. So जब भी we are ready also, and then franchise properties with us is a gorgeous lady Payal Ghosh and respected VP sir Mr. Rishi Puri. Big congratulations to Mr. Rajiv Reddy sir, our respected chairman and our living legend. Everyone around, our lovely family of we are now open for question and answers. पहले आपको जगह से पूछना है questions, तो आप जगह से पूछ सकते हैं. Then we will be open. So yeah, sure. So I
Ready, sir?
Yes, sir.
Cheers and congratulations.
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
The century is always a special.
Yes.
So, how do you feel on this occasion of hitting a century?
Well, during the COVID times, hitting a century is definitely not a joke, and I'm so glad that so many wonderful people like Mr. Rishi, representing Lords, are taking up the initiative to join their hands.
Sir, mic रहने दीजिए. Mic हटा दीजिए. Sir, ये mic रहने दीजिए. हाँ, बोलिए. Direct.
Yeah. So it is a wonderful feeling, and especially during the COVID times, when we went into a massive expansion drive to make sure that all our 2 million members get their holidays, get their vacations, get into wildlife, get into adventure sports. It is really amazing, and like Rishi was just mentioning, they also have wonderful wildlife resorts around the country, especially the star property in wildlife is in Jim Corbett. So I think members are giving us a positive feedback. So we have come more like a bank. Country Club, of course, as you know, is about 32 years old, and we have got 2 million members, and it is not really easy to sustain all these memberships. So franchise is the only route where it is made possible. All the members are able to enjoy their vacations without any interruptions. That is what COVID has taught us. COVID has taught us a lot of tolerance. COVID has taught us, to mutually adjust and go ahead in this battle against COVID. And of course, this is something spectacular. You must have seen, in my interview in the NDTV just about a few months back. We are also becoming a zero-debt company maybe in the next 2 quarters. So that is very important. Out of a debt of almost 500 crores, we have brought it down to less than 150 crores, and we are going to wipe out the debt. And maybe we in this industry, we are the torch bearers, definitely. So because there is no other company having clubbing, holidays, events, and health and fitness centers. ये पूरे 4 verticals लेके कोई no other company has come out, and we are the only people who are there. But nevertheless, we want to make sure that the members, each and every member is a happy member. You've seen the recent Holi celebrations in Bombay and in Hyderabad. Bombay में तो 10,000 लोग आए, से यहाँ आए, खांडीवली क्लब में आए, हैदराबाद में 5,000 लोग आए. What I'm trying to tell you is, this is amazing bounce back from the country club side, and a huge salute to the members of the country club who really believe in the brand country club. And also I will also say that give credit to my entire team of country club people who stood by the last 2 years without wavering and made sure that members are treated like real guests, and they have been given due importance. So my dear friends, unlike any other places, we are the first ones to bounce back. And thanks, Rishi.
Thank you, sir.
It's been a pleasure.
Thank you,
And thanks, Payal. It's short notice you are here.
My pleasure, absolute pleasure.
Reddy sir, post-COVID, the lifestyle has changed. What steps you have taken to regain the confidence of your members?
Well, we are having basically all the protections that are necessary. We were having, and we never left our guard. And we even our health clubs, our swimming pools, so you can see, how people happily people are swimming. My Hyderabad, my everyday I swim. I'm an eternal swimmer. I swim about a kilometer every day, all 365 days. So मेरा मतलब मैं बोलने का क्या मतलब क्या है बोले तो health more than physical health, mental health is important. And to be mentally healthy, you require to be physically healthy also. So this is something which values which we have to give to not only our generation but to the next generation. So a lot of people out of fear they collapse. अभी क्या हुआ था, अभी क्या हुआ था, because a lot of people have been jobless, a lot of people have lost their positions wherever they were. But country club has not wavered.
Silence, please.
We have all the 5,000 employees we sustained them, and we kept going, and we have really come out as one of the winning teams in this industry.
वैकेशन के लिए आपकी क्या डेफिनेशन है और आप कहाँ किस तरह का आप वैकेशन बनाना पसंद करती हैं?
कंट्री क्लब के जो प्रॉपर्टीज है अक्रॉस द कंट्री दे आर ऑल अमेजिंग. और मतलब अगर जब आप कंट्री क्लब के प्रॉपर्टीज में जाते हो यू फील लाइक यू आर लाइक घर पे हो, आपको वैसे ट्रीटमेंट मिलता है. लेकिन अब घर पे नहीं हो, यू आर एंजॉइंग एवरीथिंग. हेल्थ क्लब, स्विमिंग पूल, देयर अमेजिंग फूड्स, द टेस्ट ऑफ फूड्स, एंड यू नो लाइक एंड देयर हॉस्पिटलिटी, दे आर अमेजिंग. तो यू नो लाइक आई वो whenever I travel across, I make sure I go to country club resorts and properties, and I really enjoy them. Like you know, even the Hyderabad one is so lavish. All of their properties are so lavish. बहुत अच्छा लगता है, और एक अलग सा वाइब्स आता है, एक बहुत पॉजिटिव वाइब्स आते हैं, बहुत अच्छा लगता है और बहुत फन होता है. एंड हॉस्पिटलिटी का तो जवाब नहीं है.
Oh, thank you.
While everything have turned normal, work wise सब कुछ हो रहा है, तो क्या चल रहा है प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में? वर्किंग ऑन प्रोजेक्ट्स?
हाँ, I'm doing great. Then my next one is Shak the Doubt. Then New York to Haridwar online. अभी तो सब कुछ you know, if things were like taking little time, but अभी we are very much there.
Reddy sir, my question is for you. What is the one goal you would like to achieve in the future?
To make it a 1 million member club in terms of share membership, that's almost close to 5 million actually. So I think we will be achieving that in the next 4 to 5 years. It's a 1-point program, and like I always tell my team, you know, focus. And unless you have a figure in mind, you will not.
Silence, please, piche.
So I'm sure, I think we will achieve that because we have the support of all the banks. Remember, our credit card companies, all the banks, whether it's State Bank of India or any other bank, all the banks are associated with the country club because they see a lot of future in the club, in the brand country club. So I'm sure, I think with the help of all the banks and other institutions, I'm sure we will touch it.
Thank you.
Sir, but in the recent past, many startups are doing very well in the hospitality sector. So, what is the competition right now in this sector?
Frankly, there is no competition. Frankly, in this sector, and I wish there was. But I mean, I think having the first mover advantage has been a blessing, and we have never ever rested actually. Even during the COVID times also, within the limitations, we have been at it. We have made sure that members who come there are properly taken care of under the best circumstances.
Richard, what do you have to say about the collaboration?
See, what Sir said a couple of minutes back about revenge tourism. So this is a very, very new term that has been coined in our industry. Revenge tourism is something where you were stuck in your houses, in your 2, 3, 4 BHK houses, if you were lucky, 4 BHK. But otherwise, Mumbai and metros, you know, is just about 2 and 3 BHKs. You were stuck there. Now people desperately want to go out and go out to places which are safe, places which are still hygienic. So like he was telling you about the hygiene standards being maintained across in his hotels. So I think this is the right time to go out on an attack. And it's only about family vacations now. Business tourism, I think, is still on the lower edge, whereas the vacation time, the vacation mode is on big way. So most of the leisure destinations, most of the pilgrimage destinations are doing very, very well at this point of time. And that is what we bring to the table with Country Club. That we add a lot of pilgrimage destinations, Somnath, Dwarka, Nathdwara, anyway, Shirdi. So we have a lot of pilgrimage destinations, and so do we add a lot of motorable destinations, be it Panchkani, Karjat, places in and around metros. I think those destinations are doing very well. So that's what we bring to the table with Country Club, and obviously we go hand in hand, long way, and we'll move further from there.
Thank you guys.
दो साल तक कोविड था, लोग घर में बैठे थे, वैकेशंस कितना मिस कर रहे हैं?
बहुत, I mean like vacation तो हमें चाहिए, we are like working continuously, बहुत मिस कर रही थी. अभी तो जाएंगे हम लोग.
And you prefer to hill stations or sea shore?
See, I love a lot. Yes.
And being a Bangla seafood as well?
Oh yeah, and then fish, oh I love. And even Country Club का जो properties है ना कोलकाता में भी, they are so amazing. और कितना नवरात्रि होता है, होली का celebration होता है in a different level and huge properties, बहुत मजा आता है. कोलकाता one तो whenever I go to Kolkata, I make sure that I go to the Country Club and you know have like एक दो evening I spend there also with my family.
Thank you.